ambassadors from Taiwan Excellence Trade Council. That's what we're doing for the industry. And all the leading Taiwanese manufacturers in machinery, in machine toy, that's the the companies participating in this space. Friends of the media, the steady test, ladies and gentlemen, let me know.
Automotive attachment solution. And this is for especially the punch industry. It is for the tension frame solutions. So we are combined with the new controller. So inside the controller is built in the program. We can do like oxygen, the square, or shift extension grinding, and we do the stimulation for the customer as well. And that was for the nation where the all we have good in the whole 1B, the good number.
Now, the aircraft, semiconductor, and medical industry are booming. So, the machining efficiency and quality of the parts are very important. However, for the super hard materials, such as industrial diamonds, tungsten carbide, and inconel, their hardness is much higher than ordinary steel. If traditional machining is used, this contact machining method will make the tool break more easily and even impossible to machine. So, they use a process called EDM, electrical discharge machining. This non-contact machining method solves a problem related to traditional machining. However, there are two sides to EDM. Based on users' reactions, HIWIN has summarized three major pain points of EDM. First of all is a low productivity. The electrode is like a tool in EDM. In traditional EDM, multiple processes are required. So every time when you need to proceed to another process, you need to change a new electrode, not only wasting the electrode, but also wasting time.
This Taiwan Excellence provides an excellent framework. Framework for Taiwanese companies to demonstrate their cutting-edge technologies, especially the metal processing technology. And we offer state-of-the-art equipment and solutions that can propel Indian manufacturers on a global scale, fostering the shared future of collaboration, innovations, and economic progress. And we are going to continue to provide the support through technology sharing, training, and collaboration initiatives. And we think that the Indian manufacturers they can explore how Taiwanese innovations can help them on a global scale, fostering a shared future innovation.